Hello everyone, this is Shan Haider and today we got Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition smartphone with us. This is a special edition smartphone for which Tecno has collaborated with famous doodle artist known as Mr. Doodle. So in this video we are going to perform the unboxing of Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition smartphone. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the unique stuff it got in this special edition device. We will talk about its design, features and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here you can see that we got just Tecno Camon 20 branding and Mr. Doodle branding. The whole box is just filled with doodles. Here we got the information that it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and when it comes to color, this is Mr. Doodle Edition. So you can get the idea that how unique this device is. On the back of the device we got all of the hardware specs. So it comes with 64 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, RGBW sensor for the night portrait. We got a 6.67 inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor and we got a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. And here you can have the information regarding other specs that it also comes with 2 megapixel macro lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor. We got 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. The screen resolution is 1080 x 2400 pixels and the device is just 7.7 mm thin, and it comes with TUV Rhineline certification for low blue light emission. So all of the hardware specs are exactly same like the regular Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G smartphone, but the only difference is in terms of the design and Mr. Doodle related special features. But these are the biggest difference, giving a totally unique identity to the device. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our device and it also comes in this plastic cover that is filled with Mr. Doodle's doodle. Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition. Some quick start guides, warranty card, user manuals. Here we got some stickers. Once again, these are all doodles. Here we got the silicon TPU case for the back panel, and this case also comes with Tecno's signature deconstructionless design. And this is very interesting and quite nice as well. You can see there are doodles everywhere. So here we got this 33 watt charger. So here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin. We got USB Type-C cable as well as an earphone. So this is really nice that Tecno is providing an earphone with Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition. And here this is nothing, just the bottom of the box, and here we got plenty of doodles as well. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition. The smartphone, some stickers, the back panel case, USB Type-C cable, earphones, the 33 watt charger and some quick start guide and user manuals. Other than all of this stuff, Tecno also sent me this nice carrying pouch that is once again filled with doodles of Mr. Doodle, and it is pretty nice in quality as well. It's quite big, so you can keep the smartphone along with some stuff here. And here we got the slots where you can put your ID cards, credit cards, etc. We got 3 slots here. So once again, this is quite nice because this is going to be a very cool accessory for your special edition Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle smartphone. Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition smartphone. So the back panel of Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition also comes with the signature Camon puzzle design. So you can see all of these lines zigzag on the back panel. That is the creation of auto stereoscopy 3D diamond cutting. So the back panel feels so nice and smooth while moving the finger. But that's not all, because the most unique thing about the back panel of this special edition Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G is that it glows in dark. So during the daytime or in bright light, it will be white like this, but once it goes dark, you will be able to see all of the doodles of Mr. Doodle on the back panel of this device. So let's give it a try. And here we go. So you can see we got this Camon 20 Mr. Doodle branding that's pretty bright We got plenty of doodles as well, but they are not clearly visible. You can have a glimpse of them because the device was not too much under the bright light or under the sun to grasp the energy to bring out the fluorescent doodle on the back panel. But at least you can see this Camon 20 Mr. Doodle branding on the back panel of Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition. So let's switch on the device, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition. And here we go. So we are good to go with our Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition, and as you can see, it comes with custom special edition wallpaper for this device as well, and the same goes with all of these stock applications icons. So you can see all of these like the AI gallery, high browser, the calendar, all of these are nothing but doodles, and they are giving a nice unique look to the device for sure. Talking about the design, on the front side we got this huge 6.67-inch display with impressive screen to body ratio. So the bezels are very thin on the sides as well as at the bottom and top. So officially there is no information available whether we got any Gorilla Glass on the display of Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G smartphone, but it comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and there is a 3.5mm jack provided as well, and that's pretty impressive. At the top we got the secondary microphone as well as another speaker grill. There is a punch hole on the display where you will find 32 megapixel front facing camera, and right above it there is a tiny slit that works as the earpiece. It comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. On the right side we got the volume rockers and power button, and as you can see, the shiny glossy frame of this device is attracting a bit of smudges and fingerprint, so it will be better to use the provided case on this device. On the back we got this unique looking camera module, as well as the back panel itself is pretty unique, and as we have seen, once it goes dark it will start glowing and then it will attract lots of attention and eyeballs for sure. Even in the regular light the back panel looks quite classy and premium. As you can see here, it's very beautiful and gorgeous looking from every angle. We got a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution with 89% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 395, and because of that the display is really sharp. It's looking beautiful. The viewing angles are great. The colors are punchy, but the color tone is slightly on the cooler side, but of course you can make some changes from the display setting to compensate it. Talking about the software side, it comes with Android 13 with iOS 13 with some Mr. Doodle Special Edition stuff and customization. So if you go to the wallpaper section, so here you can see that we got some Mr. Doodle Edition live wallpaper that also change throughout the day depending on the time of the day. So it changes between dark and white, as you can see here. This is really a nice inclusion in this special edition smartphone from Tecno. Then we got the regular live wallpapers as well. If you go to themes, you can see that it comes with Mr. Doodle Edition theme as well that is currently being used. If you do not want it, then you can switch to the regular theme as well. But the whole concept and whole purpose of having this phone is that to have the Mr. Doodle Edition stuff. So better to go that one itself. And once again, as you can see, we got plenty of Mr. Doodle Edition icons that looks quite beautiful and eye-catching for sure. If we go to the settings and then we go to the personalization and then to the always on display section, here you can see that once again the always on display also comes with Mr. Doodle Edition. So we got 3 Mr. Doodle Edition always on display. If I turn it on and then select one of them, then you can see how and what you will get on your always on display if you select any of these Mr. Doodle Edition always on display. So this is quite nice for sure that we even got the special edition always on display on this device. And if you go to the camera and then you go to the AR shot, and if you try to select the background, then you can see that it also comes with a special Mr. Doodle Edition background that you can use on your AR avatar AR shot on Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition smartphone. And as we have seen in the review of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone, the iOS 13 comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity on this device. So the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition smartphone is pretty feature rich for sure. Talking about the camera, we got 32 megapixel front facing camera, 64 megapixel primary rear camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So here we got the AI cam, where the AI camera is enabled. You can select the dedicated 64 megapixel mode as well. If we select video, then we got the option for HDR stabilization. It can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps. If you want 60 fps, then you will have to go with the 1080p resolution. We got slow motion as well, and you can select between 120 fps to 960 fps based on your preference. We got the super night mode, we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of bokeh effect and beautification, and under more you can see that it comes with time-lapse, dual video, sky shot, document, AR shot that we have already seen, Pro mode, panorama and super macro. So in terms of camera features, the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G smartphone is looking quite feature rich for sure. We will have a look on all of these camera modes and features in our detailed review of the device, but right now I just wanted to give you a brief idea about the camera features of this device, as many more videos of Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G Mr. Doodle Edition are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And before we finish the video, let's try the glowing back panel effect one more time. So this time you can see the doodles a bit more clear compared to the last time, because the device was in the light. The Camon 20 Mr. Doodle is clearly visible and a bit of the doodles as well. So this is quite unique and interesting for sure. If you got any questions in your mind, is there anything specific that you would like me to tell you or you would like me to cover in our later videos about this device, then do not forget to mention it in the comment section while you are watching this video. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.